mean, guys, get into this glow. Yes, it's giving what I needed to give, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine if you're new here, and welcome back to another video. Please make sure to subscribe and join the family because I would love to have you guys here. So as you can see from the title below, today's video is going to be another DIY home facial treatment for clear skin. It's been a hot moment since I did a little pampering session for myself. Honestly, I think the last time I did it was the beginning of quarantine, so it is long overdue, and I kind of feel like since we're always in and out of lockdown here in Toronto, I don't really have access to go get a facial done by a professional, so I thought why not implement a home DIY facial routine just to do once a month to really give my skin some TLC and upkeep it, because I feel like after Ramadan, because of all the water that I've been drinking, it doesn't feel as dry anymore or look as dull, which is crazy how important water is to your skincare. Like when people say, all I do is drink water for clear skin, they are not playing, because I've definitely noticed a difference walking into Ramadan and walking out, because I really valued water a lot more and took it seriously to drink my water so that I can, have a good fast. So I really want to make sure that I maintain, this hydrated skin that I have. And I thought I would just film this session for you guys because I feel like we all need to be doing this for ourselves. Just treat yourself. It could be like a nice distressor as well. Give your skin, give yourself some TLC, listen to a good podcast, put on some Netflix, and just treat yourself to a home facial. It helps with the mental, it really does, okay? I have my robe on, so I'm already comfortable. I already went ahead and cleansed my face with my Serum cleanser. I've been using this for maybe like a week now. It hasn't been that long, but I've been really enjoying it because I feel like it's been keeping my skin really hydrated. So I'm gonna keep trying it for a while and keep you guys posted, and maybe a future home facial video if you guys want me to keep these going, or just a skin update. And this is their hydrating cleanser for normal to dry skin. Just to let you guys know, all the products that I mentioned in today's video is going to be linked in the description box below. This video is not sponsored at all, so this is strictly some products that I've been liking that we're going to dabble in today. Now, Serum, if you guys know from TikTok, has become a huge skincare brand that's honestly so hard to even find here in Canada. I don't know about anywhere else for you guys, but when you go to the shoppers, when you go to Walmart, Serum is constantly sold out. So I'm really excited to be implementing more of their actual skincare into my routine to see, how it works for me, because if everybody else is raving about it, hopefully it does the same magic for my skin. I'm really familiar with their body care products actually, and have been using it since the beginning of quarantine because of the hype. So I already love the brand, so I'm excited to see how it works for my, my face basically. I'm really bad because I cleansed my face a while ago and I just started doing other things around the house, so that is not good, leaving my skin just dry with no product like that. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in closer and we're gonna get into this facial. Alright, so first things first, get the glasses off, alright, and I'm gonna start off with steaming my face. I am gonna go in with this facial steamer that I got off Amazon. You guys have seen it before if you're regulars on my channel. I'm gonna make sure to link it in the description box below as well. Hopefully it's still available online because I actually got it for a pretty decent deal. And then I'm gonna go in with this product from Murad, and this is part of their Environmental Shield collection, and this is their Veda C triple exfoliating facial. So pretty much it's meant to treat the skin. You can massage it onto clean or damp skin using a circular motion until the formula changes from an orange to an even white color to indicate even application. Leave it on for 10 minutes, then with wet hands use a sweeping motion to rinse off and complete the facial pat dry, and do this 2 to 3 times a week. So I'm gonna go ahead and just steam my face for a bit, then I'm going to evenly apply this on my face, let it sit like it said for 10 minutes, and then rinse it off, and we're gonna dive into the rest of our products. Alright guys, so while the steamer is still going, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this facial treatment by Murad that I mentioned earlier. And I'm just gonna be using this little rubber brush that I got off Amazon as well. I believe I got it with my jade rollers at the same time. It was like a bundle. So if they still have that available, I will link that as well, or just like a substitute bundle if anything. So I'm just gonna start to evenly apply that, or you know what? It seems like it would be easier for me just to apply it with my fingers, to be honest. So I'm just gonna do that. Because this is actually really thick. And I think with the brush, it will just take like 20 years to do. So I'm just gonna apply it quickly with my fingers. Now that we have this all applied, I'm gonna let this sit for 10 minutes, do the rest of my face areas that I can't get on camera with the hijab on off camera, and then come back once I have it rinsed off. Alright guys, and I'm back and my skin feels so smooth. I am so impressed with it. I'm definitely gonna be doing this twice a week like it recommends, because I'm really curious to see what this actually does for my skin, because it feels so soft. You know, there's just something, guys, about a facial treatment or a mask that's literally an exfoliant at the same time, like a dual product that just warms my heart. You don't even understand, because it's like you get to skip an extra step because it's all in one, you know what I mean? And we just love shortening down our skincare routine, because let's be serious, I go in with a lot of products, so I just love the fact that I can, you know, scale it back a little bit. So pretty happy about that. And now I'm gonna go ahead with a toner. I'm gonna go in with this one by First Aid Beauty. It is one of my favorite toners for hydration. You guys have seen me talk about it in a few videos before. This is their Ultra Repair Wild Oat Hydrating Toner. It's meant to hydrate, soothe, and strengthen the skin. It's great for sensitive skin. It's alcohol free, it's dermatologist approved, and what I really love about it is that it has a lot of healing properties in this toner, like honey. It has hyaluronic acid, just a lot of stuff to help really plump and hydrate and soothe your skin. I like to personally just apply it into my hand and then just warm it up into my palms and just start to really press it in, just like that. And when it comes to my skincare, I'm trying to be more gentle with how I apply products on my face, because I feel like I can tend to be very aggressive with my skincare and like really rubbing it in, which creates premature wrinkles. And I know a lot of us might not think about it and, you know, just be like, girl, let me just get through my skincare. But in the long run, we don't want to be too aggressively harsh with our skin, because you're gonna mess up the elasticity. And as we age, it's just gonna start to droop down. And I don't really feel like we're gonna want that. Like future you is not gonna want that, sis. So just take that extra time and just pat. So you're gonna see me starting to pat, and if you don't see me pat properly, then call me out and remind me in the comments, okay? And I feel like already you can really see how glowy and hydrated my skin looks. Like, I am obsessed, guys. And for serum, I'm gonna go in with a hydrating serum, and this is my first time trying this one by Caudalie. This is part of their Vino Source collection, and this is their SOS Thirst Quenching Serum. They're actually in the process of revamping all of their collections. So this is a revamp of their SOS collection. And this just launched not that long ago, actually. I think it was May 18th that they just re-released this collection, and this is meant to be for really dehydrated, sensitive skin, and it claims to intensely bring that hydration back. So I'm excited to give it a try today, and honestly, I just like the packaging color. It's so cute, such a cute shade of pink. I'm so here for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start to apply that all over the skin, and then I'm just gonna really start to pat it in. And I've seen in a bunch of skincare guru videos that you should really just apply all of your products upward like this, especially like your serum and your moisturizer, so that you don't drag down, because dragging down is what causes, you know, your skin to start to lose its elasticity and get those wrinkles in there. So just make sure you guys take the time to drag up. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and take this that I also purchased on Amazon in a bundle. I can never pronounce this right. I'm never gonna try to set myself up for this failure. And I believe when I attended the skincare event with Charlotte Tilbury, they were saying that this helps to depuff your skin and drain your skin of the toxins and everything, and also that it really helps to sculpt your face as well. That's what I'm gonna go ahead and do now, and just start to, you know, drag it upward like that. So now that we have that all done, I'm gonna go in with a moisturizer, and today I'm gonna take this oil by Guerlain, and this is their Youth Watery Oil. It's honestly one of my favorite face oils, this one and the one by Caudalie, their Premier Cru Oil. But I'm gonna take this one today because since it has honey, which is another ingredient that's really, really good for hydrating your skin, I feel like it will be really good to help bring that moisture in there. And the reason why I'm going in with an oil instead of an actual cream is just because I'm trying a new SPF today for the first time, and I don't know if my moisturizers or like cream form moisturizers will be compatible with it and not have my product start to peel off. You know what I mean? I hate when that starts to happen, especially with all the effort and work that we put in today. Ain't nobody got time for that, okay? And I feel like an oil is always a safe bet, and for someone who has dry skin like me, you can never go wrong with an oil to really help lock in that moisture. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead with some of that, and then I'm just gonna warm it up on the palms of my hands and just start to really pat it in as well. I mean, guys, get into this glow. Yes, it's giving what I needed to give, okay? We want glowy, clear skin all year round, period, all right? So I'm definitely gonna be consistent with this routine. And for eye cream, I'm actually taking this one by Ren Skincare. This is their Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. It looks like this. And I'm taking this one because I've been trying to give it a really good try to keep you guys updated on whether I really feel like I see any brightening effects. At least I'm really hoping that it does work for me, because my dark circles are pretty disrespectful. So if this works for me, that would be amazing, and I will keep you guys posted. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just apply some. You're supposed to put your eye cream underneath your brow bone as well. And then what I'm gonna do is just start to pat it in, because you're supposed to just pat in your eye cream and not, you know, just rub it back and forth, because that's what really messes with that elasticity underneath the eye. The skin underneath the eye, guys, is so thin. So a lot of the skincare gurus that I watch mention that you gotta tap into your eye cream, bring it all the way to the arch of your brow bone as well, so that you don't create more wrinkles underneath the eye, basically. Now that we have our eye cream blended in, I'm gonna go in with my SPF. And this SPF is by La Roche-Posay. I really hope I didn't butcher that pronunciation. And this is their SPF 50 Ultra Fluid Invisible Finish Lotion. And I'm excited that it has SPF 50. So it claims to have an invisible finish, but I really hope it doesn't give me a white cast. So far, it's not giving me a white cast, which I'm really happy about. And that is what the SPF looks like on. So far, guys, it complemented really well with everything that I applied on my skin, which I'm really happy about. It did not ball up. It did not cause all of the hard work that we did today to just crumble in my hands, which I'm really happy about. And it could be because I went in with an oil as well, that it really blended into the skin so nicely. So I'll try it in the future without an oil as well and let you know my overall thoughts. This was actually so nice. I feel like I needed this for my skin, and now I can go into a good makeup week, inshallah. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it relaxing. I hope you got some skincare tips, and I hope you treat yourself to a facial as well. Why not? And if you made it all the way to the end, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys and how much you support my content. I'm really here for this glowy skin moment, and I'm definitely gonna be consistent with this routine. And you already know the drill. Good skincare and good skin leads to flawless makeup. So make sure you guys take the time to treat yourself, okay? Period. Get you a facial steamer off Amazon, jade rollers, all that stuff. They have such affordable steamers, so you don't really have to break the bank. So yeah, thank you again for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe and join the family. If you're new here, we beat our face, we kiki, we have a good time, all right? So you're gonna wanna stay tuned. Make sure you turn on your bell notification so that you don't miss out on any of my uploads. And lastly, leave me a comment down below what your favorite product is to use on your skin when you're doing your little facial routine, because I would love for us to put each other on to new products, you know what I mean? So let me know in the comment section below. And like always, I'll see you guys in my next video.